So, in conclusion, if you haven't bought a pair of these AirPod Pros, I would recommend them since they are good quality and they work fantastically. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Charles. Today we're going to unbox the new AirPods Pro. Nice, huh? Alright, so you can see it's still brand new, still wrapped up. So now we're going to unbox it. Ooh, lots of paper. Ooh, what do we got here? Ah! Nothing. Just kidding. Just like anything else with that Apple, comes with a little AirPods brochure, warranty information, which I never really use. And these are the AirPod Pro's wireless charging case. It's nice, huh? Like that, like that. Open them up. Boop. And look at that. It still has a charge from the factory. Nice. Not too bad. They look okay. And how they fit in the ear. I like these because you know why? Because they don't hurt the ears as much as the other ones I used to have. Nice. Of course, you can bring your phone. And let's see if it recognizes it. AirPods Pro, automatically detected. Announce messages. Ooh. Siri will read out your messages for you through your AirPods Pro. It says Daddy's AirPods Pro. Cute. Let's see what we got here. Let's try some music. By the way, if you didn't know, these are also noise canceling headphones. So it drowns out any background noise, which is nice. So let's go for music videos. Huh. I would say the sound quality is very good. I don't hear any crackling like the other ones I used to have. Huh. If you take out one AirPod, it stops. That's interesting. And as soon as you put it back in, it reconnects. That's nice to have. So, as you can see, these AirPod Pros are actually a very nice addition to our Apple family, and I'm very happy that we purchased them. So, in conclusion, if you haven't bought a pair of these AirPod Pros, I would recommend them since they are good quality and they work fantastically. Now, you all have a great day, and thank you for tuning into my YouTube. If you all haven't, subscribe to my channel, click the button, ding, and say thanks, and have a great day.